Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to create website using Canva. So guys, it's easy and super fast to create websites using Canva. So let's see how do we do that. So guys, I'm currently on canva.com. You guys can log in or register using the social login like Google. And once you log in, you are going to see this page. So this is the dashboard. Guys, once you log in, then you need to click on websites button over here, and then you are going to see the different types of templates for your website. Like if you want to create a business website, you can select business, and suppose you want to create a portfolio website, you can select portfolio. If you want to create for an event, then select event. So now let's create a website for an event. Okay, so we need to select this. Okay, as soon as I click on this create a blank, then guys a new tab will open, and inside the new window you are going to see this project. Okay, your project has multiple things like elements, text, then under uploads you are going to have videos, images, and you can also have like basically gifs, emojis, and all. Okay, there are multiple things. Now guys, this is the blank canvas. Okay, there is nothing over here on the website currently, so this is your project. Okay, now guys, you need to select this particular template, any one of the template, okay, from this event website. So if you see, I can also later on, if I don't want for an event, I can change this, and I'll say like business. Okay, I can do that. Okay, and I'm going to get the business templates only. So I'll say event. Okay, so now only events related templates will be shown. Okay, now let me select one of the template. Okay, which one will select? We'll select this one. This looks good. Okay, as soon as I click on it, I can see the different pages that particular template has. So click on this, apply all 5 pages. As soon as you click, then guys, if you see inside the white canvas, the template has been added. So there you goes. So guys, if you see all the pages, like this is the basically the fourth page is also shown, and the fifth page. Okay, the pages are shown on scroll. Just basically you can change the logos. Like if you have the logo, then upload over here. So for that, like place the your logo inside the uploads, and then drag and drop. You can change the text, like I'll say amazing, and I'll drag this little bit, and I'll say event. Okay, event. Yeah, there you go. Now guys, let's bring this little bit down. Okay, and you can change the button text over here, and you can give the link. Okay, also whichever link you have, like for a Google form, you want the entries, right? So that uh, the customers, like, or the audience who will be visiting your event, they can register. So you can give the basically Google form link over here. So as soon as someone will click, they'll be redirected to the Google form. Then you can basically display the speakers. You can change the text over here of the person, like the name of the person and his brief info. Just double click and select and remove. Okay, and then type whatever you want. Okay, then guys, also over here you can change everything. Okay, so every text element you can change. See, there you go. Everything can be changed. Like this image, if you don't want, then upload the image and just drag and drop over here inside these. Okay, inside the image over here, and then the image will be replaced. So, guys, this is how we create amazing looking website using Canva, and it's super fast and super easy to create. Now, to preview this, click on the preview button, and then, guys, this will be the look of your website. So there you go, it's looking damn beautiful. Okay, and there are navigations, I guess. No, we haven't given link over here. Okay, so there you go, It's amazing, right? Yeah. So guys, in order to publish, you need to click on publish website. Okay. Then guys, you are going to basically see there's an option called resize on mobile. So you need a responsive, like you want the website to be showing the fonts as per the mobile resolution, images as per the mobile resolution. So that's why you need to select this. So resize on mobile. Then guys, this is the website URL. Okay, you are going to get a URL for your website. Click on this pencil button and you can even change the name. Okay, or if you want to connect a custom domain, then guys you can get a new domain over here by clicking on this. Like you can get a customized xyz.com, abcd.in, those kind of business related domains also, and you can connect it over here and then click on publish website. As soon as you do that, then guys, Canva team is going to publish your website. You just have to sit down and relax. So there you go guys, we have published our website, and once I click on it, then the new tab will show the website. So guys, how amazing and fast it is, right, to create website using Canva. So guys, if this video was helpful to you and if you really like this video, then please go and click the subscribe button down and also like and share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you.